So guys, we are here with A to Z Excel classes, and here we are start with the how to open the Excel. Here the first way you go to a start menu and click on the Excel and open the Excel. Second way you click on right click and view option and file, new spreadsheet file. And here the third option has tab the run command in the search option and uh, and type Excel and click OK. You get the Excel file. Now we are here with the Excel, and now we have to understand the extensions also. So let quickly go to the extension part. Now here, lots of extensions are there in Excel, but we have to understand three types of. So we have 97 to 2003 Excel version, which is .xls. Now the current version is XLSX. So, but there is a minor difference, and now we have to learn CSV file, which is comma separated values, okay, or we simply file as a text files. Okay guys, here a quick class of extension and versions. So here we are finished our part, and we further uh, improvise Excel more and more simply and accurately. So we meet you next in the next class. Okay, hope you will enjoy and understand what we are here for you. Okay, guys, please pin down your comments if there is any query. We will solve it in a future video. Thank you.